Welcome to our video on transforming your blog into a money-making machine using the power of AI. In today's digital landscape, blogging has evolved from a simple hobby into a lucrative business opportunity. Our goal here is to equip you with practical insights and innovative tools that can help you harness the potential of artificial intelligence to boost your blog's profitability. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach content creation, audience engagement, and monetization strategies. By leveraging AI technologies, bloggers can streamline their processes, enhance their content quality, and ultimately drive more traffic to their sites. This not only saves time, but also opens up new avenues for revenue generation. Throughout this video, we'll explore various AI tools and techniques that can help you optimize your blog for success. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, you'll find valuable tips that can elevate your blogging game. So stay tuned as we dive into the exciting world of AI-driven blogging and discover how you can turn your passion into profit. Understanding AI in blogging. Artificial intelligence is transforming the blogging landscape by enhancing both efficiency and effectiveness. Today, bloggers have access to a variety of AI tools designed to streamline their workflows and improve content quality. Tools like Grammarly and Hemingway help refine writing, while platforms like Jarvis and Copy.ai can assist in generating engaging content ideas and drafts. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to automate content creation and optimization. With AI-driven algorithms, bloggers can quickly generate articles, optimize headlines, and even suggest keywords that can boost search engine rankings. This not only saves time, but also ensures that the content is tailored to meet audience preferences. Moreover, AI plays a crucial role in audience engagement and analytics. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI tools can provide insights into what content resonates most with your audience. This allows bloggers to create targeted content that drives higher engagement rates. In summary, embracing AI technology can significantly enhance your blogging efforts, making it easier to produce high-quality content while effectively connecting with your audience. Identifying monetization strategies. When it comes to turning your blog into a revenue-generating platform, there are several monetization strategies you can implement. Popular methods include affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Displaying ads through networks like Google AdSense is another common approach, allowing you to earn money based on clicks or impressions. Sponsored content, where brands pay you to create posts featuring their products or services, is also a lucrative option. Choosing the right monetization strategy is crucial and should align with your blog's niche and audience. For instance, a travel blog might thrive on affiliate partnerships with travel gear companies, while a food blog could benefit from sponsored posts with kitchen appliance brands. Successful blogs often showcase a mix of these strategies. For example, The Points Guy combines affiliate marketing with sponsored content to maximize revenue while providing valuable travel insights. Similarly, Pinch of Yum effectively uses ads and affiliate links to monetize its food-related content. By exploring these strategies, you can find the best fit for your blog and start generating income. Integrating AI tools into your blogging strategy can significantly enhance your revenue generation efforts. One standout tool is SEMrush, which helps bloggers optimize their content for search engines, driving more organic traffic and increasing ad revenue. Another valuable resource is ConvertKit, an AI-driven email marketing platform that automates your email campaigns, allowing you to nurture leads and promote affiliate products effectively. To set up these tools, start by creating accounts and following the onboarding processes provided by each platform. For SEMrush, you can conduct keyword research and analyze your competitors to refine your content strategy. With ConvertKit, you can design automated email sequences that engage your audience and promote monetization opportunities seamlessly. Several bloggers have successfully leveraged AI tools to boost their revenue. For instance, Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income uses AI-driven analytics to understand his audience better and tailor his content accordingly, resulting in increased affiliate sales. Similarly, the blog NerdWallet employs AI to optimize its content and enhance user experience, leading to higher ad revenue. By integrating these tools into your blogging efforts, you can unlock new revenue streams and maximize your earnings. Tracking performance is essential for any blogger looking to monetize their content effectively. Key performance indicators such as traffic volume, conversion rates, and revenue per visitor provide valuable insights into how well your monetization strategies are working. By regularly monitoring these metrics, you can identify what's driving success and what needs improvement. AI plays a crucial role in analyzing this data, offering advanced analytics tools that can uncover trends and patterns you might miss. For example, platforms like Google Analytics and HubSpot use AI algorithms to provide actionable insights, helping you understand your audience's behavior and preferences. This information allows you to refine your content and marketing strategies for better results. Moreover, the blogging landscape is constantly evolving, making continuous learning and adaptation vital. Stay updated on industry trends, experiment with new monetization methods, and be willing to pivot your strategies based on performance data. By embracing a mindset of growth and flexibility, you can enhance your blog's profitability and ensure long-term success in the competitive blogging arena. In this video, we explored various strategies and tools that can help transform your blog into a profitable venture. We discussed the importance of leveraging AI technologies, such as content creation tools, analytics platforms, and email marketing systems, to enhance your blogging efficiency and effectiveness. By implementing monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, ads, and sponsored content, you can create multiple revenue streams that align with your niche. We emphasized the potential of AI in revolutionizing the blogging landscape, making it easier for you to optimize your content, engage your audience, and ultimately increase your earnings. The insights shared today can empower you to take actionable steps toward achieving your blogging goals. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow bloggers who might benefit from these strategies. Your engagement helps us create more content that supports your journey in turning your blog into a successful business. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.